Hey guys, welcome back to HGL Fossils, and today I am unboxing this box, and there's something really cool in here. So, let's start unboxing it. Okay, this is Whitby Jet. So it's a type of gemstone, I think. Not an expert at Whitby Jet. Ooh, ammonite positive and negatives. So look. These are ammonite positive and negatives. This is what those ammonite nodules are going to look like when they're broken open. So that's what these things, right here, will look like when they're broken open. Those are really cool. And you can actually just, I'll put those together. Look. There's an ammonite nodule. They broke it open. Then you've got this. A mystery fossil. So I'm getting the mystery fossil unwrapped right now. And see what it could be. Whoa, look at that little ammonite. That's a cool one. It almost looks Madagascar ammonite almost, but I don't know. That's a nice little ammonite. Iridescent. Hopefully the camera can pick up on the iridescence. Okay, back to this. Come on, get out. We've got this little box full of packing peanuts. Let's take these out. And then we've got, wow, that is a fat belemnite. So you may have seen these in my belemnites at Big Brook Preserve video. That was my first video. And we don't get them this big there, honestly. So these are awesome. I explained what these were in that video, but I'll do it again. So belemnites were basically just squids, but they had a hard shell inside of them and it protected all their organs. Okay, and last thing, you might have seen this. Ooh, first one of these. This is a devil's toenail oyster, Gryphea. And this is a really cool one. I like these things. They're weird. So, I got some ammonite nodules that have been opened, and got some more of them. Belemnites, little iridescent ammonites, Whitby Jet, Gryphea. But that's not the only thing I got. Because if we take this out, there's this. Ooh, that's heavy. So you may be able to see what's in there, but the camera might not pick up. There we go. These are more unopened ammonite nodules. And in this video, I'm going to break two that I randomly pick out of here open. Okay, so these are the basic things you're going to want when breaking open geodes, ammonite nodules, anything like that. So first, safety glasses, always important. You don't want rocks flying into your eyes. Then, of course, a hammer, because that's going to help you actually break it open. And sometimes you can need a chisel. This one's a really nice one. I got two more like this. If you want, you can wear gloves, but I'm not going to this time. So, let's start breaking open ammonite. Okay, completely new ammonite nodule here. You can see the ammonite right there. Should just break open easily. Okay. So let's try to open this one now. I'm just going to start by hitting it all around here. But I think what I'll probably do is wedge it right in there, then use the hammer and chisel. So, let's start breaking this open. And let's move that annoying hedge that's in my face. Okay. Start hitting it. Yes, perfect split, perfect split. Okay. The first time this 180 million year old fossil has seen daylight in so long. Oh, yes. That is a Dactylioceras ammonite nodule found on the Jurassic coast. And that is awesome. Okay, so we got our broken ammonite nodule broken open. And now it looks a bit dusty, so I'm going to clean it with a spray bottle. Sorry. I'll put that in view. Okay, it's right here. Now I'm gonna spray. Okay, looks a bit cleaner. Lighting isn't great here. That's awesome. 180 million years old. It's pretty old. And I think it's about time that I should tell you guys where I got all this from. I got this from Yorkshire Fossils. Really good website. And it's also a YouTube channel. Really good YouTube channel. And they have a good website. So they sell unopened ammonite nodules like this one I was trying to break open earlier. And they sell little collection kits like that thing. They sell prepared specimens. So ammonites, bone, nautilus, belemnites, graphia, which are the oysters. And I'll probably put a link in the description to these ammonite nodules in the description below. And yeah, check out their channel, check out their website. Really awesome. They find some awesome stuff. So let's try to break open another ammonite. I got all these. I think I might go for this one as my second. It feels amazing right here. That's really nice teal. So let's set this up. It might not be 100% complete, but I'm not really judgy right now because I like ammonite nodules. Oh, here's the negative to that one we broke open earlier. Sorry. Okay. Sturdy break. Okay, a lot of rock broken off, but nothing actually off the fossil. So let's try like this. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so you can see there, that is the edge of an ammonite, the ammonite that I'm breaking open. And I'm thinking that if I just break open this, put my chisel right there, keep hitting, I'll probably break it open. So, steady the ammonite nodule. Find the best point to put the chisel in, which I would say is right here. Put the chisel in and hit. Perfect split. Okay. Whoa! That's awesome. So, broke this one open. Let's rinse it off. Okay, got it right here. That is awesome. Ammonite nodule. Okay, so positive, negative, they fit together somehow. Let me see. Right, like that. Yeah, that's a nice one. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And hopefully next time, I've got some trilobites to break open.